Hello and welcome. Today I'm talking about the website optimization, and that's specifically for the fonts. When it comes to web development, there are various ways to add custom fonts to your website. One of the most popular definitely is a method to use the CSS font rule, and that means that you declare your font face, then you point the link to your files, and you define the font weight, font style, font display, also font family. However, the question arises whenever to include the CSS code inline or to load it from the external file. And for that question, we actually created the feature under the Font Hero features. And on the bottom, you have the inline font declaration as a CSS. And let's discuss why. Actually, before we start, let's just dig to see what is happening when you enable that feature. So if I go and search for the Font Hero CSS, you can see that there is a bunch of code. And then there is one line that is including the CSS for that one. But if you just go back, save this, and reload it, you can see that all this entire CSS from the file is now inline inside the HTML. So right after the opening head, we're going to load the fonts or prepare the loading for the fonts, and then the rest of the styles will be there inside the HTML. So the first reason why we actually created this one is definitely the performance. When you inline the CSS for adding font faces, it eliminates the extra HTTP request to load an external file. This means the browser can load the necessary styles faster, resulting the improved page load times. Additionally, the inline CSS code is smaller than the external file, so it loads faster, further improving your website performance. The second one is definitely the prioritization. Inline CSS for font faces also allow you to prioritize the loading of the most important styles. When you load styles from external file, they are downloaded, which means the browser doesn't know which style are more important than others. However, when you inline the CSS code for font faces, the browser can prioritize the font styles, ensuring that they're loaded first, so your website looks great even on the slower connection. And to prove you that, this is the code. So first we open the HTML, then the head, and right after we can see that our Font Hero styles declarations are here. And after we scroll, after that you can see the rest of the styles that are included for the website. So the first fonts, then the rest. And the third one is browser compatibility. Some browsers may have issues loading external CSS files, especially if the file is not cached properly. This can result in missing fonts or broken layouts, which can affect your user experience. By inlining CSS code for font faces, you eliminate this problem to ensure that the fonts always display correctly on your browser. So after this, I hope that you kind of starting to understand the importance of the optimization of your website and you to get the best user experience, and hoping that these videos are helping you as well on that journey. Thank you for watching. This is Marco from DPlugins. Bye.